It is Money Monday, and as we move through the tax filing season, the Michigan Association of CPAs is teaming up with the Accounting Aid Society for free help. Lorena Bensick is here, the manager of accounting for Lutheran Social Services of Michigan, also a volunteer in the program. How does the program work for people who need help?
Well, we provide free tax assistance to the neediest families of Southeast Michigan. They can come into any of the 20+ locations with the Accounting Aid Society. You just need to bring the appropriate documents such as your W-2s and your 1099s, and we'll look over everything and we'll get you the deductions and credits that you're entitled to. This
is such a great program, and so many people are helped each and every year. Let's just take a look at what happened last year, for example. This is just a snapshot of what volunteers have helped Metro Detroiters do. Last year, 521 volunteers were at work helping over 22,000 families, and that's an incredible number there. $24.1 million in refunds and credits. How does that happen?
Well, at the Focus Hope, where we were located as an adopter site for the past 3 Saturdays, there were over 20 volunteers from the Michigan Association of CPAs, and we brought in over 150,000 credits and refunds to the families who were there.
That is great. It's great, number one, that people are getting an early jump on it, people are taking advantage of it, and that volunteers are helping out as well.
That's what we do as certified public accountants. We like to give back to the community.
All right, now volunteer training for this year is over, but for next year, who can be a volunteer and how do you get involved in that?
So go to the website, accountingaidsociety.org, sign up on the Volunteer Hub, and you can sign up for either online training or go to the in-class seminars. And there is a half day of also computer training because we want you to become familiar with how to use the software. And you do need to take a test. Sorry to say about that,
well,
but
good.
We need you certified to make sure that you know what you're doing.
How long does this whole process take for a volunteer to come out and be able to work?
It's a day and a half of total training, but you do need to provide at least 20+ hours of volunteer time in exchange for that free training, and then you can just get going.
All right. Now, they get going to help people. Let's see if perhaps you or somebody you know could use some of their tax assistance in the free program. For example, it's available for individuals with a salary of up to $35,000 a year. Families, we're talking about husband and wife.
Or heads of household with dependents.
$52,000. And as you were saying, there are more than 20 sites. This is the phone number if you need help. 313-556-1920. 313-556-1920. We have that number and all of the websites that you're going to need to know about on our website, myfoxdetroit.com, as we always do on the Money Monday page. Now, since we're talking about taxes and we have somebody from the Michigan Association of CPAs there, what advice do you have for the general public out there as we move through this tax filing season?
Gather all your documents, please, including your W-2s and 1099s and any letters from the state of Michigan or from the Social Security Administration. Our biggest concern is you may not file appropriately. For example, if you're filing single instead of head of household, and we would like you to obtain as many of the deductions and credits that you are entitled to.
And that's really important because there are deductions people don't know about, and there are credits people don't know about.
Exactly.
And how are they going to find out unless they have the advice of somebody who knows what they're doing?
Come to us, please.
Come to us, please. There you go. And to do that, we help you. myfoxdetroit.com, right there on the Money Mondays page. Lorena Bensick, thank you so much for being here this morning. Good luck this tax filing season.
Thank you.
One person who's filing taxes for so many people and she still has a smile on her face. See? It could happen to you too. All the information again, myfoxdetroit.com. I'll see you tonight on Fox 2 News beginning at 5 with MoneyWorks and the Job Shop, as always, working for you.